Here's a very cool boulder opal ring by Nature's Art. Nature's Art is the brand, so they work with opal. This is a solid boulder opal, very artistic, very arty. Sterling silver with all these different type of metals attached to the surface. Nice thick band. Most importantly is the opal. It really is quite fiery. Quite cool. Very different. So you're very, I can just keep thinking as arty, an arty type person, creative type person, earthy type person. I'll just get nice and close for you. But it does have good colour. So this is the opal in the low light. Good colour.